Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen, home of your favourite vegan soul food from around the world. So this video is a continuation of my previous vegan chicken soup recipe for Passover. Now, today I'm going to show you how to make just the matzo balls on their own in a regular sized portion. So, you're going to need what's called matzo meal. If you don't have this, you can go and find it around this time of year during the Passover period. What it is, it's basically finely ground matzahs. That's about it. Now, for this recipe, we're going to need 1 cup of the matzo meal itself. Optional baking powder. I've got 1.5 teaspoons here. Some people use it, some people get a bit funny with that on the whole Passover thing. It's up to you whether you want to use it or not. If you do use it, you make the balls smaller. If you don't use it, make them bigger. Next, I've got a teaspoon here of mixed herbs. You can choose whatever herbs you want. It's just going to give it a bit more flavour. 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt. And now for the egg replacement, I've got 3 tablespoons of flaxseed and 1/2 cup of boiling hot water. We're also going to need an extra 3/4 cup of water once that's finally done. So to start off, we're going to use our 1/2 cup of water into our 3 tablespoons of flax. Give that a good stir. And we're going to set that aside for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, into our matzo meal, pepper, salt, mixed herbs, and the baking powder. Give that a good stir. Now just to show you, for the flax egg, you don't have to wait the full duration. You can see it's thickened up. About 3 minutes or so have passed. That's fine. Pour that in. Pour that all in. Going in with a bit of water at a time. May not even need the full cup. Like I said in the previous video, the smell that comes off of this is so good. I'm sure you'll recognize it immediately. Okay, so now you've got like a kind of putty kind of texture. I'm going to roll those into balls and transfer them over there. That size is enough. Again, that's because I'm using baking powder, so they're going to expand a bit. If you're only using it without the baking powder, make them bigger. These are going to expand in the soup, so that's why, bear that in mind. And there you have it, folks. Vegan matzo balls, very easy. Now, 1 cup of matzo meal should give you 10 matzo balls. Just drop them in and you're ready to go. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did find this useful and you like vegan, vegetarian, plant-based recipes, there are no animals or animal products on this channel, hit the like button, hit subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Thank you very much, and make sure you're following me on TikTok as well. Love you all. Ciao for now. See you on the next one. Chag Sameach.